What if one motorcycle could handle city streets, dirt trails, camping trips, and daily rides without feeling complicated? The 2026 Yamaha TW200 is back, and it still proves that simple bikes can be the most fun. With its fat tires, lightweight body, and legendary reliability, this machine continues to win the hearts of beginners and experienced riders alike. Classic design with adventure spirit, the 2026 Yamaha TW200 keeps its iconic look alive. Those wide balloon-style tires are not just for style. They give excellent grip on sand, mud, gravel, and rough roads. The compact body makes the bike easy to control, while the upright riding position keeps long rides comfortable. Whether you're exploring backroads or cruising through town, the TW200 feels relaxed and confident. Engine and performance power comes from a reliable 196cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It may not be the fastest bike on the road, but that's not the purpose of the TW200. This motorcycle focuses on smooth low-end torque and easy riding. The 5-speed transmission shifts cleanly, and the lightweight frame helps riders feel in control at all times. It's perfect for beginners learning off-road riding and experienced riders wanting a stress-free adventure bike. Everyday practicality. One reason riders love the TW200 is its simplicity. Maintenance is easy, fuel economy is excellent, and the bike is known for long-term durability. The low seat height also makes it friendly for shorter riders. From commuting to weekend trail rides, the TW200 delivers dependable performance without unnecessary technology getting in the way. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 may look old school, but that's exactly why people still love it. It's simple, durable, fun, and incredibly versatile. In a world full of high-tech motorcycles, the TW200 reminds riders that pure riding enjoyment never goes out of style. This video is based on available information, expected updates, and industry rumors about the 2026 Yamaha TW200. Official specifications and features may vary after Yamaha's final release.